These aren't just tools. They're the kind of inventions that make ordinary tools look outdated overnight. Some save hours of work. Others solve problems you didn't even know had a solution. And trust me, the deeper you go into this list, the crazier these tools get. Let's get started. Number 1. Most pipe cutters need space. This one doesn't. The heavy-duty mini pipe cutter slips into places where full-size cutters simply can't reach. Just lock it on a copper, aluminum, PVC, or thin stainless steel pipe and start turning. The compact design makes clean cuts in cramped spaces feel effortless. But here's the best part. It even comes with a deburring tool, so your pipe is ready to go the moment it's cut. Small tool, huge time saver. Number 2. Drilling mistakes can ruin an entire project in seconds. That's exactly why this spring-loaded center punch exists. One press creates the perfect starting point without needing a hammer. The adjustable impact force lets you work on everything from soft metals to hardened steel. It's fast, accurate, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you ever drilled without one. After the first use, it quickly becomes a permanent part of your toolbox. Number 3. Woodworking just got a serious upgrade. This cordless biscuit joiner creates strong, hidden joints with incredible precision. No cords, no restrictions, just smooth and accurate cuts wherever you work. It offers multiple depth settings and adjustable cutting angles for complete flexibility. Cabinets, furniture, shelves, everything fits together cleaner and stronger. The results look like professional shop work without the professional shop. Every project ends up looking far more expensive than it actually is. Number 4. Bending thick rebar by hand is exhausting. This machine changes everything. With a powerful hydraulic system, it bends heavy-duty steel bars in just seconds. Set your angle, pull the trigger, and watch it do the hard work for you. Construction crews can save massive amounts of time on large projects. It feels less like a tool and more like a machine from the future. Watching it bend solid steel never gets old. Number 5. Imagine never having to measure and mark lumber again. The REEKON M1 attaches directly to your miter saw and automatically measures material as you feed it through. Every cut becomes faster, more accurate, and safer. Whether you're cutting boards, pipes, or trim, it delivers exact measurements instantly. It's one of those tools that makes you question why measuring was ever done any other way. Once you use it, going back to traditional measuring feels painfully slow. Number 6. Hammering nails is old news. This cordless brad nailer drives nails into hardwood with incredible speed and precision. The brushless motor delivers serious power, while the narrow nose helps you hit tight spots effortlessly. Add the LED lights and long battery life, and you've got a finishing tool that's ready for almost any project. It's fast, clean, and surprisingly powerful. The speed alone can completely transform the way you work. Number 7. Opening boxes has never looked this futuristic. The Fanttik C10 Pro slices through cardboard, leather, carpet, and fabric with almost no effort. Its rotary blade glides smoothly, while the digital display keeps everything under control. Switch between speeds depending on the material you're cutting. The best part? It feels more like using a high-tech gadget than a cutting tool. One pass is often all it takes. You'll start looking for things to cut just to use it again. Number 8. Why carry 2 tools when one can do both jobs? This cordless son, Joe, quickly switches between trimming hedges and shaping grass edges. Lightweight and compact, it makes detailed yard work incredibly easy. Tight corners, decorative bushes, and flower beds suddenly become simple to maintain. It turns frustrating landscaping jobs into quick touch-ups. Your yard will look professionally groomed with minimal effort. It's a small tool that delivers surprisingly big results. Number 9. Snow removal usually means back pain and freezing hands. Not anymore. This cordless snow shovel throws snow out of your path with powerful brushless performance. The adjustable handle keeps operation comfortable, while the directional chute sends snow exactly where you want it. No gas, no extension cords, Just grab it and clear driveways and sidewalks in minutes. Winter suddenly becomes much easier. This might be the closest thing to making snow actually enjoyable. Number 10. Guessing distances on the golf course is a costly mistake. The Callaway 300 Pro eliminates the guesswork instantly. With laser precision, it tells you exactly how far away the flag is. Pin-lock technology helps you target the correct object even when trees and obstacles get in the way. It's like having a caddy in your pocket. One accurate number can completely change your next shot. Sometimes a few extra yards of accuracy make all the difference. Number 11. This isn't your average screwdriver. The AVID Power Kit combines cordless convenience with adjustable torque control for maximum precision. Tightening delicate electronics or assembling furniture becomes faster and easier. The rotating handle helps you reach awkward angles while the built-in LED lights up dark spaces. With dozens of included accessories, it's ready for almost any repair job right out of the box. It's the kind-o. Number 12. Cutting sheet metal usually creates noise, sparks, and frustration. These cordless metal shears do the job smoothly and cleanly. The powerful motor slices through steel, stainless sheets, leather, carpet, and more with surprising ease. Its 360-degree pivoting head allows cuts from almost any angle. Tight curves and complex shapes become much easier to handle. It's one of those tools that instantly upgrades your workflow. The cleaner the cut, the more impressive the result looks. Number 13. Painting with brushes takes forever. This cordless paint sprayer transforms the process completely. The large paint container covers more area before needing a refill, while the spray pattern delivers smooth, even coverage. Fences, cabinets, furniture, and walls all get a professional-looking finish. No tangled extension cords slowing you down. Just fill it, spray it, and watch projects get done in a fraction of the time. The final finish looks like it came straight from a professional workshop. Number 14. Don't let the size fool you. This mini rotary tool packs serious performance into an incredibly compact design. Sanding, engraving, carving, polishing, drilling, it handles all of it. Multiple speed settings give you precise control for detailed work. Whether you're working on crafts, 3D prints, or DIY projects, it feels incredibly versatile. It's the kind of tool you'll find yourself reaching for constantly. Its small size hides capabilities that are genuinely impressive. Number 15. This looks like a simple leaf blower until you pull the trigger. The powerful airflow blasts away leaves, dust, debris, and even water in seconds. It's lightweight enough for one-handed operation, yet strong enough to tackle demanding cleanup jobs. Use it in the garage, driveway, patio, workshop, or even after washing your car. Once you experience that level of power, you'll start finding XQ. Which of these tools surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love discovering tools that make work faster, easier, and way more satisfying, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next Gadget Countdown.